Do you want to make your own Lavalink server? Go to the first link in the description. You will now see a Replit project. Give it a like and fork it. Wait for the whole process to complete. Now go to the application.yml file. Change the password according to your preference. And click on the Run button. Wait for a few minutes till everything completes. Basically, that's it. Port number will be 443. Host will be your Replit web link. Without the HTTPS. And the password will be the one which you entered in the beginning. You now have your own personalized Lavalink server. You need to enable Always On feature on Replit and add a boost as well if you have hacker plan. If you don't have one, don't worry, I got you. Search for Fresh Ping. Sign up and log in. Now click on Add Check and put in your Replit link there. And name it Lavalink. Set the time to 1 minute. And click Add Check, and that's it. You now have your Lavalink server running 24/7.